Hello everyone and welcome to the first video of this series. It's going to be problem solving in Python. So in the first video I'm going to show everyone how to find the surface area of a cylinder. So to find the surface area of a cylinder you need to use the formula 2 times pi times r times h plus 2 pi r squared. That's how you're going to solve this. And we know that pi is equal to 3.14. So this is the sample code that I have here. This is what you should get. And yeah, so let's hop right into this. I'm gonna go to Spider, and we're gonna do this by getting the user input of the radius and the height. So what the user input basically does is it takes the user's gonna enter a number for us. So yeah, like enter the number like around over here, and then the user enters the number, and then it's gonna put like the area is like, I don't know, like 3.7 or something like that. So if you don't know like basics in Python, check out the playlist, link in the description. So yeah, so let's start this. So you're gonna first type in input, and then since we're taking the user input, we're gonna name it the radius. So we're gonna make a variable, save it in R for radius, and we're gonna do enter the radius, and then you can do a cool little thing by putting the equal sign, and you can do this, and it looks a little arrow, pretty cool. You can do h, you can do enter the height, the height's right there, and then you're gonna want to do, now we want to declare a variable. Let's call it area. Okay, and now we're gonna do the formula for finding the area of a cylinder. So the formula is 2 multiplied by pi, which is 3.14. So why is that there? 2 multiplied by 3.14, or pi, and then multiplied by the radius. So 2 pi r, and h, you want to multiply it by the height. 2 times pi times rh, and then plus 2 times 3.14 times the radius squared. Don't know why I keep doing that. Okay, so that's our variable area, and now what we can do is what the computer is going to do. So it's going to say, like, when we do a print statement, it's going to say like the area of the cylinder is, I don't know, whatever you choose, the user wants to enter. So in that case, we're the user right here. So what you want to do here is the area of oh my god, area of the cylinder is, and then we want to put this formula into this. So what you're going to want to do, put it outside the quotation things, separate with a comma. Otherwise, the computer will think it's like a part of the string that we just wrote here. So then you want to write area, which is our variable right there. And we got to do another thing right here. So what we want to do is the inputs thing that we have right here. The computer doesn't know that it's going to be a number, so we can change it to integer. Again, if you don't know what the integer and floating point are, check out the playlist. It's down below in the description. The link's in the description. int, and then we want to make sure we have the parentheses here. That's why it's giving an error over there. So we want to make sure the parentheses are equal on each side. If they're not equal on each side, then you're gonna have an error. So now we have our program right here to find the surface area of a cylinder. So what you want to do, you can actually like highlight this and run it from this black thing right here, or you can push the green button. What the green play thing will do right here is this will run the entire script. So let's say I had a line before this that said like print hello. This thing's gonna run the entire thing. It's gonna run this, then it's gonna run this. So we don't want to do that right now. So we can use the play button. We can run the entire thing right here, or you can just highlight this and then press this black thing right here. Or you can press F9 if you have that on your computer. So I'm just gonna use this thing. So if you enter the radius, any radius is fine. I'm just gonna do 12, 21, and now it's gonna give me the area of the cylinder, which is 2,486.88. We can run this again, and we can do what any other number. Let's do 5, 5, 5. No, 314 is the area of the cylinder. So yeah, that is the entire problem that I just solved. It is the area of a cylinder, the surface area of a cylinder. Yeah, and that is how you find the surface area of a cylinder. I just solved this problem in Python. Yeah, so that is how you do this. So in the next few videos, I'll be talking about similar things. They'll be different though. So yeah, problem solving in Python. This was the first idea.